shirt on.
Yeah, it sucks. Somebody thought it'd be a good idea to run on vacation.
Somebody
Yeah, it was
is
me.
Benny.
It was me. And for the record, I don't think it's a good idea, but I do have to do it.
And he's dragging me along with him.
She drug herself along. I did not ask for this.
What is it, 85 degrees? Feels like 89.
Feels like 89.
75% humidity.
Yeah,
And this man's wearing a black shirt.
that's all I had.
Wish us luck.
Two miles in, how you feeling?
Honestly, not great.
Same.
Hot.
We're 2.5 miles in. I think we decided this is as far out as we're gonna go. We're making a square 5 miles. Frankie's feeling it.
We're thriving. Just thriving.
Stay tuned for the aftermath. This is the aftermath. 5 miles. If you can't tell, that sucked. Let's not do that again. Something you might not know about me is that I do love hot weather. I'm a summer baby, but I don't like to just sit in the heat. I need to be doing something. So going to the beach it's different for me. A lot of people like to go sit on the sand. That's not my thing. I need to be in the water or I'm back in the AC. One or the other. It's like 91 degrees right now. Humid. I think I'm gonna go play in the water for like an hour and call it a day. Let's go. Look who it is.
Up? It's beach time. We got the whole setup. And I'm already burnt.
Cock shorts. Drip.
If I work at the office I'm afraid I'm gonna get bored because
Oh shit, it's the cops.
Day one, Levi learning to undo a beach chair.
I think we got it. My fat ass will probably break it.
5 hours later.
I just have your door.
I'm gonna be real honest, I had like 5 handfuls of this while you guys were in the shower. I don't regret it. I'll buy you another one if you want, but they're so good. I've been like, are you ready for like 10 minutes? What do you have to say for yourself?
I heard I look burnt.
We've all been hungry for 15 minutes.
Whatever. Benny's a slowpoke.
I'm a victim.
It stuck to my leg.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm really excited for dinner.
Let's go.
Dear Diary, Frankie's driving. If this is my last video, I want my mom to know that she did a great job being a mom. I want my dad to know that he did a great job showing up to all of my sporting events and feeding me when my mom was at work late. We want Levi's mom and dad to know that they did a good job too and that he died happy.
He died doing
I died
really
so
well.
happy, can't you tell?
He's happy.
I'm
And
hungry.
I just want the world to know we didn't want to die. It happened, but we didn't want it.
Yeah, this is not a suicide.
This is not of our own doing. I get no money out of this.
Unplug me.
Unplug me if the money's not worth it. But don't show this to anybody.
Look me for attention.
You hungry?
Starving. I'm gonna get some coconut shrimp.
You were sold on the shrimp, huh?
Oh yeah.
Note to self, don't go to eat dinner at 7 p.m. in Gulf Shores. We got people offering to go to Alvin's gift shop
Yeah,
for
let's
dinner.
go.
And by somebody, I mean my girlfriend, who may be the mother of my offspring one day. We're at an Alvin's Island, waiting for somebody to text us for food.
We're actually looking for food at Alvin's Island.
I found food. There's ice cream and pickles. That's a little fun fact about me. I could eat ice cream for every meal. There's 2 flavors, coconut and pistachio. They have coconut. Do I get it before dinner? Why not? Can I get the coconut? Yeah, 1 scoop's fine. All right, thank you very much.
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it?
Can you
I
believe
hope we
it?
get called for dinner soon.
Yep.
I just went cross-eyed. Look. We are Charlie Cook.
We are Charlie Cook.
We hold the flame.
Is that what it says?
We are Charlie Cook. We hold the flame.
It's the one for the vlog.
That's the one for the vlog. Let's see. How intent is she on her phone? Very. Franklin? It's great. It's really great. Great audience. I love it.
What's up, gang?
What's up,
What's up, gang?
Steal this table.
I'm overstimulated. Am I going to say something?
Got anything on my butt?
Hey, what's up, vloggers?
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog? This is my boyfriend, Benny. Don't know if you've met him yet. He's cool, only sometimes though.
I show up on this page occasionally. That's Marissa and Levi.
You gotta introduce me.
This is Francesca, aka Frankie,
AKA.
aka Frank,
AKA
whatever you want to
Franklin.
call her, aka Franklin, aka
Bahama Bobbies.
I just want it to be known that we're waiting like an hour plus to eat dinner at a place called Bahama Bob's.
Get it right, it's Bahama Boots. Tattoos all down her thigh.
I just want everyone to know we've been waiting for an hour. Just now, Marissa asked if a place called Bahama Bob's would be worth it. Bahama Bob's. Comment down below if you know that this is not going to be worth it.
Ready for the
Yeah, jump cut to us all like puking in the toilet from food poisoning.
Does he do me that way?
They're really cool.
Alright guys, ready? Come on, ready?
I'm really hungry. I don't know what the catch of the day is,
Peanut butter pie.
but we're gonna find out.
I could eat Levi. Raw.
Oh, bro.
Ugh,
Sounds like a date.
At least cook it.
Sounds like a date, my brother. It's disgusting.
Where is this having a beer with It's good. Bone apple tea.